I wanted to show some of the things that I did to get the Canon TX-1 to fit in my Big B airplane safely, and what test flights I did before I actually put this relatively expensive camera into an airplane. At the balance point of the airplane, approximately, there is a mechanical mount that holds the camera at a 30-degree down angle. I'll show you later how that's hooked up. And I have a hole there and an angled wooden mount where I have a 1/4 20 nylon bolt which mounts into the tripod position of the camera. If you look inside the airplane, you can see a little better here. There's some Velcro here that's going to hold the camera on, but this is an angled piece of balsa here that has some very light foam, yellow foam material on there, and I'll show you how the camera goes on there in a second here. Here you can see the TX-1 mounted in the airplane. You can see where the lens is in front here, and it's pointing down about a 25-30 degree angle, which I found is kind of the best view, and it's directly out of the side of the airplane. And on the bottom of the fuselage, you can see that 1/4 20 nylon bolt I was telling you about that goes into the tripod mount of the camera. One nice thing about this also is that the monitor for the camera comes out and you could see what you're shooting and make sure your camera settings are okay before you actually take off and start to fly. And if you notice also, there is a strap made out of Velcro that goes around the TX-1 for added safety in case something were to happen to that 1/4 20 bolt that I talked about as a backup system. The normal battery I use is Electrofly 1800 milliamp nickel metal hydride 8 cell, but to save some weight, because the camera is kind of heavy, it's about 8.6 ounces, I'm going with a smaller pack that's about 1,000 milliamp hours, and I'm going to move this pack more forward to the airplane to correct the CG. To avoid any surprises with the performance of the plane, I constructed a mock-up of the camera using lead shot at various points on this block of wood, so that the 8.6 ounces could be tested on the airplane. This could be put right in the same position. It even has the 1/4 20 tripod mount there, and this way I can see how the plane flies, its performance, before I put the actual HD camera in the airplane.